Hi, welcome back to my channel, Train Spotter 1234, and this is the start of another series of timetables. So today we're going to do TPE Express, which is only the Piccadilly to Leeds, like stopper services, and so Staley Bridge, Mossley, Greenfield, Marsden, Stafford, Huddersfield, Dayton, Murfield, Ravensthorpe, Dewsbury, Batley, Morley, Cottingley and Leeds. Okay, most of them, when I first started to like trains, I only thought they were northern services, but then I discovered I got this timetable that they do. Okay, so now let's turn over into the first one. So this timetable is from 14th of May to 14th of December 2019. And so the first train to go from Leeds to Murfield is the, let's just get into focus, is the 0519 to Murfield. Cottingley, Morley, Batley, Dewsbury, Ravensthorpe, Murfield. Yeah, and Murfield. And that's on Mondays to Saturdays. Then we have on Sundays, the latest one on Sundays is 2353, which is there. And that is to Huddersfield. And then on Sunday, Manchester Piccadilly to Huddersfield and Leeds. So this is calling it, so there's a bus at the 0800, which is the first one to leave Manchester Piccadilly for Huddersfield, TPE Express. And then the last one is the 2317 to Huddersfield here, not a bus. Okay, so that is really it for this timetable. Nothing really else that you need to know. Okay, so remember, save paper, save the planet. Okay, thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye.